So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the bedroom filter here on Redfin. So it's super simple. Once Redfin's opened up, go to buy or rent or whatever, and then press on your location. I will use Vegas for this example. Now the simplest way is super self-explanatory. Just go to the top left to where it says beds slash baths, and where it says any, you can go ahead and play around with this. So if you're looking for like one bedroom places, you can do that. Three bedroom places, maybe bedroom places between 2 and 4 beds, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and do it this way. Another way you can do it as well is to go to filters right here, and you can scroll down to where it says beds right here, and you can do the exact same thing. You can go to 5 plus, you can go 1 to 3, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and view this for yourself, as well as type in your price so you can kind of see how many houses of that caliber are kind of in which price range. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on see homes, and you can go ahead and view your listings that way. So once again, simple as this, go to the top left, either do it this way or go to filters and edit the bedrooms filter this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit the bedrooms filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.